Ozzy Girl Toy Reviews. Hooray!
Hi, Aussie girl.
Hi.
What are we doing today?
We are doing Chinese LOL.
Chinese New Year LOLs, Year of the Ox. And we
Yeah.
have what looks to be a wee girl doll in one ball and a pet in the other one.
Yeah.
That's cool. And the balls, they look pretty cool too. They're pink and red.
Yeah.
Very bright.
Yep.
You know what they look like? They look like lanterns.
Yeah, waiting.
Mm.
I'm going to open up this girl first.
Okay. Now these ones are brand new, aren't they? We saw them by accident when we were getting some plants today.
Yes.
We were just walking past and, oh, there's some LOLs. Let's buy them.
Yeah. Because they're so amazing.
They are so amazing.
Okay. I need some help.
Okay. So here's what our ball looks like. There is a red and yellow card and the ball is red and glittery. It looks like it might, oh, whoa. Would you like this back?
What's in here?
I don't know. Let's have a look.
Oh, there's nothing.
May I have a look?
There's nothing.
So it's an envelope.
Yeah?
Oh, you're right. There's nothing inside. Oh. It's our little envelope.
Oh, here's our sticker.
Nice. This paper is so pretty. I think this has been the prettiest paper so far.
Yes, I'm going
Some
to
red
get
flowers.
to be a LOL nice flower picnic going kit.
All right, we have a sticker.
Ooh, found her shoes.
And that says Golden BB. Oh, some shoes and sunglasses.
I saw it onto a camera.
Good job. We'll just do a close-up, hey? So everyone can see them up nice and close.
Here, Mum.
Thank you. Okay, there's our shoes. So they've got red bottoms, then a black bit, and some gold straps. And then these really cute sunglasses.
Mum, I think comes with one jelly bracelet.
Oh, a jelly bracelet. Nice. Is this only one?
Yeah, because it only comes with a one.
Here's our bracelet. Pink,
Here, Mum.
red glitter.
Ooh. I think this is green stuff. Or green cordial.
Oh, it might be green cordial. Thanks, love.
There you go. There's instructions.
There's
Oh, I know, because I'm so really excited. I'm already starting to open it.
Oh, yeah?
Ah!
Oh, she's got her clothes on.
Oh, I want to color change her. I want to color change her, Mum.
I don't think she color changes.
I think she does because I think I see her legs.
Wow, she is so cool.
Here's some more Wobbits, Mum, for you.
Her hair is blonde and red glitter. And it's black at the front with some yellow scrunchies. And some really cool gold tassel earrings and bright red lipstick.
Ooh, what's this bread?
Oh, that's so pretty.
Here you go, Mum. Here's the rest of the Wobbits.
Oh, thank you, darling.
I'm going to dress her. I'm going
So
to dress
cute.
I'm going to dress my dolly, Mum. I'm just going to open up the next one.
Okay, you open the next one. Would you like me to dress the doll for you?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Oh, where's an envelope? Here's another envelope, Mum.
Interesting.
And I want to keep this tissue paper too, Mum.
Okay. It's very pretty.
Mom. Mom, quickly grab it before it blows away! Thank you, Mom.
You're very welcome.
Mom, because I was really excited. Oh. Its head just popped off.
Did it?
And I tried to open it. And now all of it's flabbergasted. Oh my goodness, it has this. Mom, you drink a stone.
I do. That's Yakult. It's good for you. And that's the dog's bottle. Is it a dog or is it a cat? I can never tell.
Dog and a reindeer cat.
A reindeer cat.
Yeah, because it has reindeer.
I think it just has pigtails.
No, look at these candy things.
Pass me that little checklist.
Right, here's a sticker. Let me just peel that stick off and put it on the ball. I'm just going to peel that stick off, Mom, and put it on this ball.
Wait, can I have the sticker, please? Thank you. I don't think it's meant to go on the ball.
I think it is. Well, I think it's meant to go on the envelopes.
All right, so golden ox.
Here's its shoes. It has 4 shoes. Ready to walk and roll.
All right, here is Golden BB.
Here's a bag!
She's ready to rock Chinese New Year. Oh, didn't put her little outfit on properly, did I? What have you got there? A bag?
Yeah.
Oh, dang it. Now, we mistakenly thought she was a cat, but she has an udder, so I'm pretty sure, judging by her name, she is an ox. So she has some quite neat gold tattoos all over her body. She's got blue eyes.
And she has some butterfly shoes.
Some makeup and these adorable little horns and glittery gold and red and black hair, just like her little human.
Mom,
And she's
she
got
has butterfly shoes.
this adorable little bottle, which
has
is meant to look like a
butterfly
major
shoes,
yogurt brand, but I'm pretty sure due to copyright they couldn't just take that name.
Mom,
And she has a scarf. Yes, love.
she has some butterfly shoes
And she's got 4 shoes.
for her 4 feet.
Yep. And a lantern carry bag, which is so cute. All right, so here we are. Here is our golden ox and our golden BB. There she is, looking all fine. So Chinese New Year, Year of the Ox, Golden BB and Golden Ox, they are pretty cool, aren't they?
Yeah.
I think the shoes on the ox, though, is a bit weird because you lift her up and the shoes fall off. So maybe they need to think about getting smaller shoes. Are you going to drink that?
No.
Why?
You can't.
Just going to drink her Yakult? I mean, her yogurt drink?
She drank it all.
She drank it all?
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Meow meow. She said it was good.
Oh, excuse me, I'm yawning.
I'm having a nice day.
Are you having a nice day?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ignore my LOLs up. More LOLs. More
So welcome to the family, Chinese New Year LOLs.
Yeah, I want to be.
We're going to go.
Yeah. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Oi! Just poke your tongue out at me.
I did it to a friends on the video.
You did it to your YouTube fans.
Yeah.
All 21 of them.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think they're all probably Nana. You're poking your tongue out at Nana.
Yes.
That's not very nice.
Are my fans saying no?
Yeah.
You're saying yes.
Okay, bye.